it just lifted me up. Like it was just like a springtime kind of feeling, just a really, really nice feeling.
If you ain't know, now you know. Let me shoot some real quick. Follow me.
Hi everyone, I'm going to react to BYEON Jin Seob Blackbirds, and it was requested by K2 Sun, and here we go.
빌딩 사이로 보이는 내 모습이 뻗는 소나기 세찬 바람 맞고 거리를 헤매이네 무거운 내일 희뿌연 연기 사이로 보이는 아스팔트 답답한 도시를 떠나고 싶어도 내일 갈 수 없네. 나가세요. 날아가는 새를 바라보며 날아가는 새를 바라보며 나도 따라가고 싶어. 빌딩 사이로 보이는 내 모습이 퍼붓는 소나기 세찬 바람 맞고 거리를 헤매이네 무거운 내일 희뿌연 연기 사이로
Ah, why you done? Uh, when this thing started, like the music before he started singing, it just lifted me up. Like it was just like a springtime kind of feeling, just a really, really nice feeling. Like in my belly and my whole body, and I started swaying, and then he started dancing. And when dancing, he started singing, and then when the crowd like joined at the chorus. Uh, just a nice feeling, man. I love this. Love it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.